Previously on Halloween Nerf Gun Battle.
Hell yeah!
Oh my gosh. That way
Folks, that could be the game winner right there.
I have to make it. I have
Get to the line. Get to the line.
I have to concentrate. Don't look anywhere, even up.
Clutch up. Got your winner.
Put on the wings to the skeleton.
Okay, clutch up.
Please.
He's missed. He's missed. You've got your winner, folks. That's it.
This is no Halloween Nerf Gun Battle 2.
Will Arush get his revenge?
Yeah.
Or will I come first again?
Yeah.
Let's go! Okay, so Arush will have 5 shots, okay? He has
Yeah.
to stay behind this line and he has to hit this pumpkin, Harry Potter style. Whoever hits the pumpkin more times is the winner.
Yeah.
Okay, Arush, it's time for your first shot.
Yeah.
It's a miss.
Yeah, it's a man.
Pick up your second bullet.
What? I'm gonna get 5 shots. Remember.
He's missed again. We're gonna take a short break. Okay, folks, this is his 3rd shot. He's 0 for 2. Oh, he didn't pull the trigger. Hits it!
Hit it!
That's big!
Hit!
Watch the replay. Okay, everybody. This is Arush's 4th shot. He has hit 1, missed 2. 1 for 3. Oh, he's made the same mistake again.
Why you have to pull this?
Oh, I just missed it.
Just me.
Right under.
Yeah.
5th and final shot for Arush. Will he finish on 1 make? And 1 is his final score.
Yeah. 1.
Can I beat that? Okay, so I'm up. This is my first shot. Stand behind the line.
I hit 1.
Okay, if I get more than 1, the game is over. Oh! That was so close.
So close.
It literally
This is
went
the
over.
second shot.
It literally went right here.
Right there.
Shot number 2.
That's number 2.
Oh!
Oh, I missed. We're gonna take a short break. Has missed. Oh.
This is it. 3rd shot.
Yeah, no shot.
Hit! Big hit!
Wait. We're gonna show the replay.
Okay, everyone, we are tied. But I still have 2 shots left. If I just hit 1 of them, this game is over.
Yeah.
Okay. For the win. Oh, it's a hit! It's a hit!
It's a hit.
Let's
It's
go!
a hit.
Halloween
It's a hit.
Nerf Gun Battle Part 2 winner!
Yeah.
Hey guys! Thanks for watching our new video, Halloween Nerf Gun Battle Battle Part 2! You have your winner right here.
And Krish.
So,
if you want to, go like and subscribe this video and have a great time on Halloween. Hopefully y'all are either going trick-or-treating or giving out candy at home, going to a party, or watching a great scary movie. And we have a challenge for you. Come and guess what Arush is for Halloween. Turn around.
Yeah.
Spin around. Okay, write down in the comment section what you think. Punch it!
Punch it.
Head smash! See ya!
Bye. And next video, trick shot.